Welcome to the PMDT site, Nishtar Hospital, Multan. Here patients with MDR-TB are treated free of cost, and we also have the facility of free diagnosis of MDR-TB. This site is located very near to the Department of Pulmonology so that the patients who are coming in Pulmonology department, they can get free of cost diagnostic and treatment services. This site till date has treated almost 1200 patients. This is the area where patients get their outdoor slips to get all the formalities for the blood investigations and prescription by the MDR physician. This is the patient waiting area. This is very well ventilated and it has a lot of open space for the natural ventilation. This is the sputum collection area for the patient, where patients submit their samples as per the lab attendant instructions, and these sputum samples are further processed for DST, LPA and culture. And coming towards the area, this is basically for the patient's waiting area, and this is properly well ventilated, and it has a natural ventilation to avoid infection spread. This has a lot of natural ventilation so that there are very minimal chances of infection spread. Here in this area, triage is very religiously followed to avoid the infection spread among the positive and the negative patients. This is the area where treatment supporters of the patients wait after submitting their patient slips, outdoor slips to the doctors. On this slip, the doctor in a formal way prescribed all the necessary investigations and other related blood test and culture smear to get all the tests done for the free of cost services. Now coming towards the main PMDT site. In patient waiting area, there are a lot of patient education material which is displayed for patient proper education and counseling services. Here is the poster which is showing how to cough and how to take the hygienic measures during the coughing of the patient. UVGI lights are displayed for the proper disinfection, and they are functional throughout the time the patient and the supporters are coming there. Here is the window for the natural ventilation, and exhaust fans are also in place for the proper ventilation purposes. This is the poster showing the instructions to take the drugs. We also have the weight machine available on site. He is a case management person and he is responsible for the maintenance of the clinical files, and then accompanying the social support officer who is responsible for providing travel incentive through Easy Paisa and also guide the patient to open the mobile wallets. This is the seat of the lab attendant. Currently, lab attendant is outside to collect the patient samples. Heading towards the recording in the reporting room, the program assistant who is responsible for the ENRS maintain, he sits there and entered all the data in ENRS for recording and reporting purposes. Then this is the PMDT site physician's room. Here patients are prescribed appropriate regimes after clinical evaluation and different investigations. They are advised as an individual regime as per the patient condition. We also have the screen to view the X-ray properly, and also have the ECG machine to get the ECG done for all the patients who are prescribed the new drugs. After getting the prescription from the physician, patient goes to the pharmacy to get his drugs. Pharmacist is responsible to make the drug bags as per the individual patient prescription along with the guidelines to take the drugs properly. The pharmacy is well maintained as per SOPs. Temperature and humidity chart is displayed to keep a strict eye on the storage conditions of the second line drugs. Stock is very well maintained and drugs are arranged in FIFO manner to avoid any expiry and loss of drugs.